Were. Gikone to ringre jaod bura ma Kasipul Charles Ong'ondo Were oromne alap mar ndeke ma Kabunde e kaunti ma Homabay. Jotelo mopogore opogore mawuok e kaunti no kotelnegi kod Gavana Gladys Wanga okwayo kwe e kinde mar ik ma jatelo no. Wanga oseyo weche manowache gi jasiasa Philip Aroko ma obila mar okwach kich tudo gi nek ma jaod burano kowacho ni oonge gi tudruok moro amora e neko ma jasiasa no. Bende odwaro ni mondo mi tim nonro matut mar ng'eyo jok manotimo nek makamano. Ringre Were nochung' godo e boma ma Homabay, Kindu Bay kod Oyugis ka jopiny nowuok kar romgi mar oromne.
Thank the people of Homabay for remaining very peaceful, for remaining very calm, for being very patient. And I want to request that tomorrow we have a duty to give our brother Honorable Were a good send-off, dignified. So we are calling on our people to remain peaceful, to remain patient. We have seen the investigations going on, and we want to just say that we allow the investigating agencies to conclude their investigations, and I've seen some people dragging others into it. As Governor of Homabay, I have no responsibility, I have no role on the investigations. All we are planning here is how to give our brother a good send-off.
I want to encourage the residents of Homabay that let us turn out in numbers to bid farewell to our fallen colleague, and I want to call for decorum, decency, discipline. This friend of ours died as a serving member of parliament, and we shall bury him as a serving member of parliament. May peace prevail.